Hey everyone, one and only Richman here. I just got the Sound Blaster Z High Performance Gaming and Entertainment Audio Sound Card. I think it's by the Sound Blaster community. I wanted to upgrade my audio performance for gaming. I've been using Turtle Beach Z300s. They're pretty good. I'll show them off in a few. So I'm going to unbox this bad boy. And then on top of that, I'm even gonna unbox Sennheiser Game Zero Special Edition. I've already unboxed them, technically, because I couldn't wait to use them. But there's not much to the package. The Special Edition is just by Amazon. They use just the headphones, really long cable, and some instructions, and that's really it. It has a mic, stereo headset, so I'm going to upgrade it with the sound card and maybe even use the microphone. It depends. For group play, I'll probably use the microphone. So let's unbox this bad boy. So here we are with the sound card. I keep saying graphics card by Sound Blaster. It comes with just a DVD drive. I know there's a front panel header. I don't know if I have to connect that for additional power. I would assume so. It's an internal graphics card. I think it's in the PCIe slot for the PC. Here's what the back looks like. Just some fancy stuff like Crystal Voice, Pro Studio, surround sound, Dolby Digital Live surround sound, Scout mode, which I heard doesn't really do much, and a 600 amp for headphones. So that's really it. This is the headphone, or the beamforming headphone. Probably just use that for group play. And the graphics card doesn't look to be strapped in, even though it's supposed to be. And yet again, I said graphics card. It is a sound card. I repeat, it is a sound card. Sound Blaster Z. So let's try to pop this into my PC. That was made by CyberPower. There's a video in my channel if you're interested on the build and what I put into it. I opened it up with my cousin and girlfriend. So yeah, stay tuned. Just a quick note, it is strapped into the box. It's on this like velvety material. However, the straps are kind of a pain in the butt to get out. As you can see, it gets kind of stuck in there, and I feel like I'm going to damage the board. So yeah. So just to add more LEDs to my case, is a Sound Blaster card. Right above my GTX 1080 by VGA. I wanted to move my Asus Wi-Fi card. Sorry, that was just the drivers finished downloading. For better optimal airflow, I guess you could say, down there, so that the air can circulate up better. I don't think sound cards need that much to begin with, so I put it right up there. It has an 8-pin connector, or 7-pin, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what that's for, so please in the comments down below help everyone, including myself. What is that for? I thought it was to turn on the red light inside, but it does it already. So hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. It comes with Sound Blaster audio software, I guess you can call it, but I've used it on my laptop and I love it. I know there's been some negative reviews about it, but I will inform you further when I do a full PC redo review of the CyberPower PC. So I hope you guys have a wonderful time, and see you in my next video. Peace.